I am here vibing with a quarter of one of the most creative and innovative music collective in the history of Jamaica's dancehall music. A producer, songwriter, engineer, selector. His parents named him Andre Gray, but we know him as
Suku.
Suku, the man with the big voice. All is well, sir?
We have life.
Give thanks, man.
Which is the greatest, you don't know.
It's a joy, bro.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
So yes, everything good, brother? COVID done, man.
You know.
So they said, oh?
Life
Life is
is
here, life is here. Yeah, but it's good for see the man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Thanks, bro.
Talk to us, though. Early life, place of birth.
All right. Early life. I'm born at Waterhouse, 7 Trinidad Road, Kingston 11. Actually born in a yard.
Home delivery.
Yeah. So, when most man there and I hear and I thought, oh, yes, I'm come.
And that's where you come from there.
So, like planting.
Planting.
Maple string plant in the yard. So.
Yeah, man. Waterhouse. Trinidad, not the one before St. Lucia that?
Yeah. I know down
Man,
there.
music. Yeah, St. Lucia and
Cuba and Antigua and
mad thing. Yeah? So, Kingston 11. Kingston 11. Yeah, man. How many brothers and sisters?
All right, so I have one brother. Me the second one.
Oh, yeah, the second one.
The first.
Yeah.
We have 3 sisters.
So 5 of you.
Yeah.
And all your siblings are still around?
Yeah, man.
Give thanks, man. It's a blessing, not in a bro.
Well, the parents them not there.
Oh, my condolences, man. So the old man and the old lady tried on.
Yeah, they tried on.
My condolences. Where the man go school?
All right, so down at Waterhouse, we go to Balmanji. That day, right on the strip there, I go down to the studio, plus me yard. So like, come out of my yard, ball ground there, so walk up the road, the school entrance there, so. I mean, you can enter from the ball ground. Yeah. Then we left there so and go Mona High School.
Mona High, yeah?
And then we left Mona High School and then we go Javis High School.
Javis High School. Javis College. Javis University, man. Javis University. Yeah.
But prior to dropping at the university, like we do like the the selector.
We are come around to that, man. We are get around to that. We are get around to that.
You asked about the school.
Yeah. Okay, all right. You're the school thing. What was it like growing up back then doing in Waterhouse from a financial perspective?
Financially, we never had to suffer, but we no hungry.
Food was on the table? Most of the time?
Most of the time. You see me, like, what I say, 80%.
80% of the time?
80% of the time.
Yeah.
You sit alone at one point when I think my father did migrate.
Oh, okay.
You see me, so, at one point things it kind of just...
Shaky?
Yeah,
but most of the time the thing that balance?
Yeah. I mean, like, even now when you think back on things, it kind of just balance me out because, you know both sides. People have it worse than me.
True that, brother.
You can actually eat food every day.
It's a blessing, that, man. Yeah. You wear multiple hats in the entertainment industry. Someone are just artist, someone are just producer, someone are just selector, someone are just engineer.
Yeah.
You cover the whole spectrum musically, bro. Where or what time did music start become a meaningful part of your life, though?
All right, so my father did bring one JVC deck from England.
Oh.
From America and England.
Okay.
And that was the first time they met the ones and we had the turntable.
Oh, okay.
So yeah.
I take that, man.
You see me? At the time.
At the time.
Say, that are coming from foreign, you was a little youth now, see them thing there, and then they bring in some 45. It was this rhythm Bobby the Charlie drop with Flower Gun and Cocotti and Shabba.
Oh, okay.
The tune I said, shock out yourself.
That the Lizard and Flower Gun.
Yeah. And, come on and love me.
Cocotti.
I think I don't remember the Shabba.
Oh, okay.
But like love that rhythm there. Yeah, we used to like once my father would show me how to use it. Like,
I hate that.
as soon as me get up, boom. As I'm in dangerous to know, because you have to make sure, ask, if wait till him in a good mood.
That is so like he was a stern man.
I was Quicksilver and I imagine. But yeah, yeah man, so that like from there so, you start off and then now like, music, like every plan when I always did it. My mother never stopped me from doing it.
Oh, mommy never stopped you. How old were you when daddy brought the thing there?
Honestly, man.
Around another part there. But you did young though?
Young. Like probably now like, what I say, probably like, you know, 6, 7 years old.
Okay.
Time frame. Probably 5.
So daddy was the man where responsible for your first real meaningful musical influence.
Yeah. Like with the actual turn with record. But like hearing music.
You did hear music all along?
Yeah, because jammies, them and jammies are friends.
Oh, you're a family and jammies?
Yeah.
A friend?
Yeah, so my father and Iris, that's a jammies
Jammies' wife. Mama.
Them a good friend.
Oh, okay.
You see me? Couple of your brother them and them used to park.
Oh, okay, cool man.
And one of them didn't even get shot in the yard.
Your yard?
Yeah, and run out and drop down at the corner. I Trinidad Road and dead. So and him was one of my godfather then.
Oh, okay.
You see me? So Iris now my mother used to park.
Oh.
With like, you know, the woman
yeah,
side.
Yeah, man, first side. We don't think about.
So, you know, used to run at the yard. So in the early stages of jammies are doing things. Like with their own thing them, so we see and we hear. And then now, like me says, I'm on the house I play music, so you're dead in the
yeah, I hear the thing. But daddy give you a physical feel of the thing. Nice. How that now kind of lead you further and further into musical realms?
Alright, so that was just the starting of the actual, like I said, just knowing what is a record and you know, we all are here on the radio. And then know the physical radio with that technology there. From there, so it was just like high school, mostly like just go around sound system, what sound system play. Firstly, what I call it, you know, just get used to the music when we put out. In primary school, Lieutenant Stitchy was my favorite artist.
Oh,
like, we know every Lieutenant Stitchy.
Every Stitchy.
Sing them word for word. They even call me Stitchy at school.
Yes. Yeah?
Right through till what, grade 6. You see me? So, like, we always a beat desk. Me still ain't not figure out nothing yet.
Right. But there's a beat desk.
You know, youthful things and going to high school, the same thing with them Mona.
With the Mona.
Yeah.
You have some musical schoolmates too, brother.
Yeah, Mega Plow.
Mega Plow. Who else did there?
Briggy. Couple more people I remember exactly. And then Briggy them used to tell about Ronnie them.
I think the brother was saying, Me Love My Fatty was a...
Yeah, him name me. Ah, yeah, Terry.
Yeah, Terry. Was your schoolmate as well. Your classmate. And you and them man, they used to sit down and beat Dexter.
Like once you hear Dexter beat, the principal definitely knows, say, you can call all of the name then. Terry, Mega Plow, Briggy, me, I beat the desk.
I have been reading them for a long time, brother.
You have an ex-brother named Ricardo Powell.
Yeah.
And he dropped out long after.
Oh, okay.
Like we had the comedian in that school, the troublemaker, in terms of just fun. Trouble.
Right.
No trouble to get
No, trouble.
So like, you know, but once you hear this can beat a week. You see me? So them little thing there.
A preparation.
That's a prep me for what forward.
Yes. So after school, I don't know if it was after school or you're still at Mona. You started now doing any selecting that time, or it was after Mona?
So during high school now, like probably what, second farm, second I got third farm, yeah. Like my stepfather now, he did have a GTR Black Magic.
More I take something that,
So I know GTR,
yes, man.
Black Magic are the thing them then. So I start him have records now He have more records than my
Than your father. Okay.
You see me? So I start mess around. And him not really, him the kind of have it whereas him does, like him free and him does, me good.
You can go play where you want.
Yeah. You see me? And then now, because of that, we used to do like, him used to get like a party.
Local gigs.
In the
Community.
Yeah. So like if we neighbor cross the road for them, them birthday and play it. You know? Till we end up take time
and build it.
And build up, we get like, and get more amplifiers, you know, and get bigger
boxes.
The boxes may be ugly still, but you know, I never the scoop, the boss speaker.
Yeah.
We just work with it, and we still use the GTR Black Magic speaker them as the top end.
Top end.
You see me? We start get
bookings.
More like a part round robin. Yo,
and
like,
you a player.
And me a player. And then me and my little virgin them now, me and them grow up in the era. Where, like, my squad is, we not deal with violence, we not deal with gun thing, you know. Okay. Our parents them not worry about we.
Right.
And violence. If they hear a gunshot about around the road, them say, alright, when is there are two places them man are there. If them not there one of them grandmother yard, them do have a virgin named Kelly, where they in front of my grandmother yard. So
good.
Yeah, nobody now worry about we. So like me and them, I run it off. We play round robins. Some country when we go, pan ditch up and
where the local sound eh?
What? Guys will Clarendon. We go above rocks. So what I mean I talk about
so
country.
So big then like, man.
What?
Yeah, I mean far out.
Far out. Like some bush, we go one place, Clarendon near, where them at top, where them you always have some little country meat.
Right.
I tell you about Duppy cut down the dog, I tell you about bag of Duppy, and then now them have a girl, where them call Duppy girl.
Girl.
You know what, eh? The thing with Gino. She just appear at night time, you know, see her for the whole day. so when them tell them thing, they actually see her, so, you know.
Yeah, whatever something I got suffer through.
In my country, you know, bro, and down the dark, and like, and we are youth, so you know, you're going on territory and you hear certain things, look creepy too. So, you know what I say? So.
But that local sound they bring you all about the place.
All about, bro.
That was the name of it. It became Road Sonic.
Yeah. See me? And then now that Road Sonic created friendship with me and Conley.
Oh, so her name Tiny, you know Conley?
No, Conley grew up at White House, you know.
Oh, okay.
But like you used to see him.
Right, but never brethren like that.
My mother and we neighbor them, because they have a place named, they have a community thing named Gax.
Gax, okay.
So I even use it as my email address.
Oh, cool. So you how mention your thing?
Yeah, so my mother on Gax. Is my film father Gax.
That's all like a gang thing though, Suku.
No man, that's community.
That's community thing.
Yeah,
big people something. Okay, but that's ask for that.
No man.
Alright,
you see me? So, you know, we know him for years. Never yet said nothing to him.
Okay.
Or when everybody family do out from the front time, all of the youth them do that. Nobody now. We even play a ball and nobody.
And no communication like that. That's bad.
Vibe. You see me? So with the sound, now I'm gonna string up every Sunday in my yard and you know we test the set. My mother was a woman now, she always don't like when the set a string up.
Yeah.
But when the set done string up,
our music start.
all our music then pile up so what she want.
You have to play them.
So you have to play Grace Chillers, you have to play Madonna, you have to play ABBA, you name it. Anything she take up.
You
so if she take up the whole creator record, then you have to play it. When you don't play them then,
you can't play what you want.
Anything else. Till her mother take her and she want the sound like her. So, you know what I say? So one Sunday him come link me and but one of them next virgin link me. But him and him par. So right, them forward. When him see him walking in the yard, I say, alright. Them man are coming in the yard. I say, when they come in the yard. So my virgin I say, yo, what go on? I say, I'm there. I say, me up the road and hear the music. I can't go on. Because I did a sweep up yard, because I do my chores.
Right.
So I say, yeah man, when my last song done. So him say, all right, boom, and him walk off. So come there, I said to him, said time. What you say? We can spin to. First, me and him actually talk.
Okay, right. So he was actually doing any...
Yeah, man.
Before?
Yeah.
Okay, so it wasn't
like,
known to
know
you?
off him doing stuff.
That before, okay.
But like, we just never meet up on the corner with them. But like, conversations that happen, but me not say nothing to him because me not really talk to him and him not say nothing to me. So, you see me I say? So when me tell him, say, yeah man, you're good man, and tell that sweet. Me not know I said that way me do. Change everything.
Everything.
Because I noticed like the following day now, like when we go up on the corner now, like
link live.
Yeah, me start, you know what I say? Till long after him start, he might tell me, say, yo, dog, the day when you tell me, say, for rain, dog, you don't know what you do, you know. I never know, say, I saw you cool, you know. Man say, yo, no man can't tell me nothing boy, you know, dog. Me and you, a friend for the life. So
that's how your cuddly link said.
Up to today.
Yes. So Road Sonic, you know, as I say, bring you to some places and thing. But you stepped up eventually.
Yeah, where Mark is concerned now.
I mean
Mark, this is Mark dropping now with the step up. So the step up, Mark used to play Pastor Lucia really have a sound named Bug Striker.
Bug Striker.
You see me? And Mark used to play that sound there. You see me? So, same road as Jammy's, he move up the road. Him actually get a work on Jammy's sound. So, him dep on Jammy's sound and play. And then now, we link. Him know of the link. The man them we play Jammy's sound at the time is like, him I said, dog, the man them not really bad for the mixing like you and thing. You know? Like, they know the music, but like them need that something there. You know what I'm saying?
You need a good mixer.
Yeah, I remember you have Stone Love and Renaissance, all them sound uptown.
Straight
like,
low and juggling.
Stand up beside them and I juggle like, when I say, yo, where that is concerned, there's no problem. You see me? So, me always say me would have loved to play the song. You see me? I say me I put in a word and thing, but me end up dead around in my yard one day and hear the sound and straight. I tell John too. And he'd have an engineer on at Jammys at the time named Snaky. Snaky. Him didn't know something bad to say. Like everybody said when I put in a word. Then probably that put in a word, but you know. You're
not sure if a word go in.
Yeah. So me actually go around there now one night. I made the sound string up. And we go around there now and did it. And me up I said, Mark, I said, alright. But King stand up there.
Oh, King was there?
Yeah, behind the fence. You see me? So like Snakey and John did it too, and Snakey them I tell John King say, yo, and I say, yeah, call me. I say, you can't play. Neagle them expensive, you know. Ray. I say, yeah, King man, I want to you, man, Ray. I say, alright. Go on, let me see where you're going. You see, I have a first 3 songs we mixing.
For your work?
Man call me and say, yeah, what? We are play, I think them not play a St. Mary. I say, I play St. Mary tomorrow. Make sure you follow.
Present yourself.
You see me? So, from there, so between Mark, Snaky, and King, they met me get the job now on Jammy's Sound. And then for you get the job on Jammy's Sound, automatically now, King are going to approach you about what you do at daytime.
Oh.
You see me? And then now, like I said, my father and mother, they know them.
Right.
What you do at daytime? And I say, yo, I don't do nothing, man, sorry. Come around in the dub room. So I start at dub room.
That's how you start, dub room. Before I reach dub room, though.
So, yeah, man.
Before I reach dub room, who were some of the other people selecting, working around the sound and Jammys at the time? Not the DJs, but selector-wise.
A brother named Neely and our next big man named Jacko.
Them down there when I go all about go play?
Yeah, so like St. and a couple of places as well. And we'd have a dance with Addies at one time.
Mataran did I run that one?
Yeah, it cancelled. The first hype one they cancelled, and then they reschedule it back and keep it at 3 man. Like, they never really work out because the one I think they did more. Like you know when you look for something and then you just.
So it was a clash.
Something to that.
Oh, in this?
Well, like me say, the dance never really, the dance never turned
out
well.
Saying I cut the tune.
Eh? I mean, it doesn't matter about tune. It just, cause King have song, you know.
Right.
You just have to do it. Oh, you draw the song then.
Okay.
And like, oh, you win over the crowd. You see me?
Imagine lead on upon the one, man.
Honestly, man, I tell you, like, we never clash.
Oh, we never clash.
No, we never clash.
Because
like I said, the dance will turn up.
Right.
Oh, if it turn
so that
up,
was one of the experiences as
that was one.
One.
But my very first experience with the sound.
Yeah.
Which is the Sent Me One I tell you about. Bruh.
That was a clash?
I feel like wasn't a clash, was a juggling dance, but guess what?
You turned on to that?
No. We go country. Remember now, me had a small fry on the song.
Rookie.
Yeah, me had a rookie, see? So the main man them were up on the scene of them have vehicle. The one man have vehicle and
everybody
drive with them. So them come a country in and out. Me drive on the truck from in the day. Me no mind. See? Cause me like sightseeing, we love the excitement. We stop and we buy food. We whole vibe on the truck. See? Reach a country, sound string up, go and work vibe, know the place, right? Then they play about 2 rounds. Early. When we go and done play the second round now, mark them reach. But when we done play, when we have finished play, me hear the tapping, the high frequency them chip out. See? So we just figure more or less say, you know, something. When the man them check, the tweet of them leak.
Wow.
Like
leak.
Every tweet a leak. So you know, tweet on the day.
I don't source of it, so.
No, that mid frequency they
right,
but without that, it dull. Nah, I got sound good. I remember jamming that one song when the bass cracking, you know, everything blown up. Anyway, the man them there. Man them there and the man them out there, them attack and I say, yo, what I gotta do? The senior man them, you know. All the man them that for do, I say, yo, the tweet of them like, let's make waiting they go and play. Man they send me go back, yeah man, start play back. So me go and turn on the sound, you know. Make 2 speak from the start talk to people and hear a couple of people start bellow them so yo, what up? Anyway, we go drop something. You know, sound good. People, so we go stop that man with me, a man say, go, mama. Hear me now. Your boy, me like, you man lock off that, jump and ray. See you sound good. So me, you know.
You tell him,
brother, what me gonna do?
Stone.
The whole dance cost me. And then the sound man gonna start playing. Then the selector start playing, man gonna say, yo, oh look. And try for them down there so them come from. Yo, hey boy, if you come in there, why you come in a people place and come and diss the people them and ray. And start playing some song. Brother, me shame you. Yo, me sit down so. The way I shame, I can't move around the sun. I can move, but I can't move. Something does hold me right there. It's like, Jah does say, you know, you gotta learn. So boom, sit down there for the whole time. Like, for probably 1 good half hour before me actually, like somebody actually come and say, dog, forward. Like one of the youth them on the sound come and say, dog, I want to take forward, man. Really. Like, you know, just build a vibe, build a vibe.
Yeah.
And I make me feel so shame. Because the man see it, you know, she said it burned me.
Hate you?
Yeah, because the man, and that year when the man passed, the man say, yo, dog, foolish is the man. You know, the man them take you for that. I say, what go on? Man them say, dog, the man them should have never seen you come turn about the song.
As a new youth.
So even the technician, the electrician, the man them that say, yo, oh, if you tell the man to turn about the song, you know, say the tweet tell him.
Right.
See me I say? So, that does, and then the rest of the man them I say, yo, dog, because them are born out the man them because, like I say, me, my ratings it not just come because of hype. Like, me's a militant youth. I'm a cool with people. Like I tell you, I drive going on up on the truck. Me and the man, I'm a work for beer vibe. Then the man them just know, say, based on the knowing of, the knowledge of me, I play my little sound and what else. So man them know, say, I can play music, I can mix, and I can scratch one bag of shit. So, you know, the man might say, yo, but I watch that, man. We think good. See me? And we did it all after the dance. Don't know, we did it. The sound man them know. The other sound man come and reason and say, yo, watch not me done, man. Yo, Ray, you don't know, but you can't come a country, come.
I go do them things.
Come do them things there, Ray. And I say, I say, no, give thanks. And man say, no, watch not, man. Me and you say, you find early when you are jogging. You go to youth. I say, so one to the big man, one to the one, because them know the other man. So one to Jacko and Neely, them are Ray. I say, yo, them cut. The man say, so how the man make you turn on about the sound? I said, man, them say, turn on about the sound, so I turn it on. From that, the man can't, you're mad. I don't stand around that sound and take no clown again. They are watching again, down a sentence side. We are based on this here play, you know, a little land. And we did the area play. And like I tell you, from the first session, I tell the man, say, I not sit down with no sound, and no man muster and chat to him and chat, and me there around that and feel and we know. Because
I got different thing.
And the man them look like them did have to make that go on again, so the selector over there, and in there the man chat a bag of things. So Mark used to tell me some things.
That a Mark?
Me and dog.
Okay, me and dog.
He used to tell me some things, like about Lenny.
That are from place of the city.
Like, you know, and through me know say them play mouse, you know,
right.
know.
They know things.
So me I say, Mark, here we go on. If Lenny rain tonight, you know, we gotta deal with him like how Mataran and Trooper deal one of them. See me? So if him tell me about mother, I tell him back, you know. Vice versa. Anyway, the man goes a boom and them start play. And the man them chat some sitting. And me sit down so. And Jacko and Neely and Mark did it. I said, Mark, we are dealing. You see man them did it and make the man them. I said, me don't do them things down great. So the electrician in here, Mar, is a big man. The man of my father friend too. He my father could set me in my gun vibes. So it's like him and say, yo, I want you named Carl. I said, yo, you gotta sit down, you gotta sit down here, son. We not depend that, you know. Only make the man over there race. Jack and Neely, them a joke thing them depend on race. So I said, Mark, hear me now, man. Next round we start play. We gotta switch it up, see? So the man them there and them brought the dance. It never ram. And the line is rectangular. Small line. Right. See? You hear if the people are in the land spread out, the place look nice.
Alright.
Basically, they have the whole land over one side, over which part of them there. So that you can't see half of the land. So the land split in half.
Yeah. So
the one side crowded, one side empty. So when them done play, me say, watch this man. I just take the mic and say, yo, if Lenny and all of them man they over base of the city. When they still over there, sir. You want to see dance level out? Brother, and the best thing we could have said for the night. Dance level out, the whole dance level out. And the man them actually listen music now. Because me and Mark take over, me and Spin and Mark attack. Me I tell Mark what he say. I say, Mark, chat the thing them no man. What you tell me? Man start fling some wood over there pan you see. For the whole night. So when the dance done, me and beer people I got to say, yo, them selector them out and wash out with J's. They are the first dance we come and hear so much bad out because bad out are cussing. We are cuss bad out than
and then them are cuss bad out.
But we are cuss more than them. You see me? Cause like, you know, like we pumped up.
Yeah, man.
You see me? So it kind of just level out. So it wasn't even a case of nobody win no clash.
Right.
It's just
it's
that
a vibe.
You're not kill we.
You're not more down
with. Yeah. You see me? So even Lenny, if you see Lenny and ask him,
yeah, Bridget.
He might tell you, say, yo, yeah man, that dance say me and Suku, me see a good you. Me and him a good bread in, you see me? So like them experiences there, them what, three? Them three experiences there.
You remember them one there?
Just them.
Blackheed.
Yeah, them. Because them there was more like the just start play the song.
Oh, okay.
You see me I say?
Right.
And from there, so we just did it till we get through the things like
Yeah, about dub room.
dub room and then
Yeah, I took up a dub room here though.
Dub
So
room.
first place, Kingston here, dub room.
but dub room now dub room not much story in there.
Down a dub room. But why am I the same thing first though?
Just give me something.
Just give you
remember,
something to
I
do.
know me as the man way.
I still there, right?
Yeah. So that's what I'd be like. The closest to be that engineer is. It's still an expensive job because the needle, when you for cut
Right.
the dub, it is very expensive. You understand? So you can't mess it up. You can't. The frequency where you send to it, it can burn up the thing. If too much load go up on it, you know what I say? So
You still have responsibility around this, man, even do a dub
and then,
room.
yeah, you have a board there, you have to set the volume. And then now, killer is the hot commodity for this.
At the
for
time.
yeah.
For this
Scare them the alien toddler.
toddler.
Boom
Country.
them them get wally political dub work, like hustling wise.
Oh, okay.
You see me? So like me and them go to yo, Suku, wait. So me even that's so me never realize that me a take time as producer.
Producer.
Because we used to arrange how the dub them cut. So like me that say, oh, alright, cut you start. You see me? Boom, you drop in, or toddler, you drop in. If it's a case where it's Kochi, toddler, Ellie, you know what I say?
Yeah.
Ellie, don't get me wrong, toddler thing them all this, the boys true, Ellie have a
Energy.
that high energy. You can't make him forward before toddler. So you don't go, so alright, toddler, then him.
Makes sense, brother.
You understand?
Make a lot
And
of
then
sense.
when you have like dubs with him and Kochi or him and any other singer, you just set it where, you know, and
Right.
set the mix. You see me? Have it low. Singer, ray, and DJ jump in.
That should be tough, so.
Yeah, just start mix.
Mix.
So if you can't mix in it, you're in trouble.
Dub mash
Dub
up.
room that in it. No, but I say dub room that, or if you can't, if you're a dub room and can't
Like
mix.
yeah, mix.
If you can't mix, you're in trouble. You see me? So, like that, like the drama with dub room is, me did hear say man did that tell me, say, it'll take me a while if you actually cut a bounty killer dub.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Because he might tell me, say, oh, bounty funny and bounty you know, like this and ray. Yo. True me is a newbie now in my thing. In a sense, he might say, yo, yeah, bounty now make you cut no dub.
Yeah.
You know, brother. I don't know where go on, but one day something go on. And me hear one bagger. I walk in and I see the man and I say, oh, yo, Suku, yeah, man, ray. Yo, one man can, one man go, man, ray, man, going like so the rest of me. I say, what go on, man? I say, yo, walk around and see killer the pan. I say, yo, come, you know, if you do, come cut that man. I say, lie. Yeah, cut killer dub. So I'm going there now. Me, the done, watch what them do for killer.
For killer already. Oh, okay.
Plus, me know what killer want. Killer is a man like when him vice. Pop! Through the speaker. And you know me, I say, yeah, you have to definitely can't mix. So, me know how to set the microphone. And just know, say, once, me go so and set the rhythm and the microphone and go so 2 times. Can him do like a small reverb. Rehearsal.
Okay.
I'm away and I say, rec. So if him say rec, I say, yo, yeah man, ready. You know say everything good. Yeah man, I go so boom. And say when the man done cut down the man, I lie. Make sure I can find him, right? so
Are you here at all?
yeah, so we start cut down so between me and Mark, you know, whoever did it. But like them system is a fast learner. Cause like me say, me watch, say me there on you. I know see you like a thing a particular way. Me I try
observe.
me I master it for you. So the drama is now every time I have nothing to do. Instead of a guy, I go.
You got a double room.
Go in a big studio.
Are you got a studio now?
But hear the drama with the studio. King don't want you around there.
Oh. A double room in one Sunday, man.
So regardless of your engineer,
Right.
him don't want you around there, so. Bro, that man they run me out of the studio till him tired.
Yeah?
So him run me out
So you
I
go back.
walk out. By the time I go out and come in and me again, yeah, my brother, you're tired from running out. Fat man, the engineer.
Oh, Fat Man was the engineer at the time.
Fat man, if you tell him, he said, King, ain't good man. And I may help me do it. Come, he said, I learn patch beer fast. Start to patch beer for Fat Man. So a Fat Man have to do is delay and rewind tape. Even tape me put on. All of them something. So Fat Man said, no, King, ain't good man. I mean, you help me at the time, you know. And so King was look at me and say, hey. I say, yeah, man. You must love me. Find out the man is love me. The man says me determined. You know, care him run me out. If he run me out and go in the bathroom,
You got
me that back in there.
So Fat Man help open the local door there for you?
Yeah, because the Fat Man was to be a fussy, then it probably would have...
Yeah, they still there, double room.
I mean, no, I wouldn't dare
no, man, but I said that.
Yeah, it probably did a little bit. It
did a little longer.
Take a little bit longer, but him kind of just solidify and make the validation. Yes. Say, yo, right, so he must love me. Until me end up all day, I do work, speaking like just day, I patch things and put on tape, splice tape, one bag of thing for him. That's a lie. I mean this.
So at this stage, Joe, it was you and Mean Dog who were the two people around there at the time.
Yeah, for dub room.
For dub room. No, yeah, but no, out of the War 21. The rest of man them did for Conley and Rumbler did forward yet?
No, you know, Conley forward, Conley and Rumbler forward. Conley forward when we'd have a date, a foreign and a date out here.
Oh.
See me, but the people them did want, which probably play the people them want the same energy. So King did I worry about that because him know said the next man them can't mix like how we mix and a youth thing.
Right.
Like a thing up a police officers club.
Okay.
Like fun day thing for the kids them. So like when we play
younger youth them.
We know if we play the music and whatever. So King I say, yo, I go Uncle T, because Uncle T kind of the manager, so that's Uncle T. No where yourself. Then my brother me, I bring him come mix just like me. Even when we get up on the scratching, whatever, you know, you're not gonna miss it. And then you have that Rumble. Because Rumble did that done and he done that with we up and down upon the song.
Okay. Like so Rumble was around at the time.
Yeah, he must come and country, he may help run wire, he may help pack up sound, he may help there and pass record. You know what I say? So we just say, yo, Rumble can run the microphone. And Conley mix. Yeah. You see me? Plus we didn't have Fat Man that was like a song named Gold Supreme.
Gold Supreme.
You see me? So like he was a part of that too.
Oh, okay.
No, that after. Him started playing on Jammies because him started playing on the sound now. King actually gave him a work at the studio.
Okay, cool no?
Yeah, because like I say, once you start thing there and you automatically
I'll find something you at the studio for though. Cool no,
so
man.
I start work at the studio and then now Rumbler did them more often now. We do all of it. And then now we have Fat Man to do whole Gold Supreme sound thing in our house. So our next piece of history.
So what you know? Before you know the Jammies.
Yeah.
The War 21 thing now, was that just naturally at my sit down and say, yo, you know, I gotta do that something, yeah?
Alright, yeah, well, the War 21 thing, it happened. The War 21 name though, it never just forward when that happened.
Okay.
It did it before.
You did that before?
Yeah, because me and Conley and the rest of Bridget them live up at which part him live.
Okay.
Like, just like where that say, the Gax name will come like on Gang thing.
Yeah.
So like, you know, as youth, you're part of a set of people who don't want to have a cool name.
Something to identify with.
Yeah, see, so like, my apartment number is 17 and everybody always come knock up 17 when them fall from school. And then we come outside and we go play basketball or football or whatever. And we just sit down and chat. So through this, so we always a link up. We say our apartment 17, but I say, yo, no one really. Apartment 17 thing sound like on Cooney.
Yeah.
You see me? So we then up, his mother end up, we in the house one day and And she did there cook and we in there chat beer foolishness, me and him. And she did there and I dead laugh neatly in the kitchen and she said, yo, like we said something and she said, yo, you know, say, the 200 need today. I want
21.
So I say, so him I said, what that? So I said, once I get you, go up.
You way.
And him ask her a couple more things and she tell him, say, his grandmother did have to visit her one time. So he's like, we just latch on with the name, but we just have it as a...
Right.
So when we there as student now, what influenced everything for even go in that direction there was Dave Kelly.
Oh.
See me? So, can remember now, you know, Dave, between Dave, Steely them, Shaky Vibes, the Penthouse, them people that for them label them and run the place.
Right.
You see me? So, we have a big studio now, Jammies, we run the 80s. And we have said, oh, we now have no dancer like that. I come over there, you have the rhythms, them like sling thing, all of them rhythm they way. Probably kill out a voice
right.
and put on the rhythm. Like we need something
not modern.
Yeah, you know. So we used to just learn to use the drum machine. You know, we did build something and try to get things. First rhythm in build with no lie. We did Steely didn't make a rhythm king. And we work on it to a level where it sound fresh. Like actually
right
in the scheme of how Dave sound them used to be.
Oh, so you guys are trying to replicate
yeah, because of the sound. There's a sound, the all snare clam and certain things it get outdated because the sound them Dave have forward.
Yeah, modernize the thing.
Yeah, you see me I say so. We end up go Sabu man with the voice Lexus. The first time I meet Lexus, the voice I tune him I say, "You're Superfly. You are Superfly, I'm Superfly." Alright, did go over like Buster song.
Oh, okay.
You know the lanes
right.
You see me? From them time I say, yo, you your body, you know. So we actually start make rhythm.
What was the name of that rhythm that Lexus voice on?
I don't remember.
I know Dog Pound rhythm that.
No man, Dog Pound.
Dog Pound come after that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
The first rhythm we make name was a rhythm name At Lava.
At Lava?
Yeah.
At Lava come before Dog Pound?
Yeah man.
Come after, yeah? Alright.
And then the At Lava we end up right vice the way in the song. Currently write a song named Girl Thief.
Girl Thief, okay.
You see me? Dark Pound come after because a DMX song. Stop. Trap. The sample that and then have some dog in it. Like how you have showtime with the head.
Right.
You see me? So we did do something on that too.
Bad man not do that. I think that's one of the name.
Yeah. So with the Girl Thief, we end up using name now. Because we say, all right, we're going to put on this. We're going to put on this. But the thing is, when we actually did the Girl Thief, it wasn't a matter of Conley wanting to think. Conley just say, yo, I'm going to make you voice it because you have the voice, DJ voice.
Right.
Because I always hear me, I mess around artists and song and a DJ. So I say, you have a DJ voice, so let us write the song and you DJ.
Oh, so Conley was to write and you were to DJ?
Yeah.
Okay.
But what we have, the idea was now, is to use a name or to do the recordings and put them on the flip side of songs.
Oh.
Like how Dave used to do.
B-side business.
So Dave never used to give him rhythm. He used to put Stranger up on the next side. And Stranger him. You see me? So when you hear a slam rhythm and you hear a tune, I say, girl, what? I aim
that.
So like them thing there I say, yo, could I do it like Dave? Cause like me say, we have to like.
Una replicate
yeah,
that.
You see me? So we doing the Girl Thief. I mean, it come out as a 45 still, like as an A-side. And
okay.
The Dark Pound song it come out as an A-side, but that wasn't really the plan. You see me? I say, and we still not even that take it nowhere.
Just do something.
Yeah. But when we make Bada Bada now, Bada Bada like
so Bada Bada was the first hit rhythm that after Lava and Dark Pound.
Yeah. And we still just do it based off We just do it, just hoping say.
Something mechanic.
You know what I'm saying? Like we do it and sure say, yo, this I got it. We just a vibe. You see me?
A good vibe that bro.
But the drama with that now is we advise haters. Cause come to wake me up one morning and cause every morning wake me up and take the key for the show.
Oh, okay.
So him go around there and me forward after. Cause me, yo, we got my bed late. So me do wake up good, I go around there. I walk in, me hear the tape, me hear something, and then the tape stops. And I say, what that? So I go to boom and sit down and I see like him walk go in while me I walk go in the street, him walk come out and go in the advice. So me then him I say, yo, if you put a track on a double track on this, I say, alright, cool. Go in and press play upon the tape now. Cause Rumble record the song.
Oh, okay.
I hear the song I play, because I don't like say you could have like him just play it run down and then him do the kind of do the ad lib them. You let them hear. Enough of them. And then I say, oh, what this? And it sounds sweet pan the rhythm like the rhythm we have songs pan it like, you know, I think Barky device, we come on device. Somebody's device first. Like a Lexus, yeah.
Lexus.
See me? But yo, when me hear that song, yo, I go stand turn around and look around and I said, dad, what is? And then him reach a part and say, enough of them are free. And then I double up and cause him I do the yeah, choice and all of them something, a lead up, then him go so. And I said, no, so when him done no one while I was there in there vibe, I said, yo, that song yeah, sick. But we still name that pre.
Still not take it serious.
Go give him and I cut at the rhythm. And them boys better learn. And when them boys better learn, King out the road that year, and John and the radio play. I hear a bus off better learn because it just dropped in and so fire drop on it. John say, King, now your rhythm is, I wouldn't be in the voice. Here, King.
Because them done a
be in the voice,
King never good.
I said, be in the voice to me. I don't mind rhythm that way. So John said, King, are you here rhythm that? So could them thing there? So could them make it way? Dan, King turn purple. Man, yo. King, oh, for the first 3 weeks, when the rhythm actually, when the beanie start play, I'm a master. We go master all of them. You know?
Right.
See me? The first 2 weeks, King Acha, Iron, Mango Dynamics, a man down the name is Sam Harris that work down there. Him tell King say, in front of me. He say, yeah man, so could them follow Dave, you know, it's not work. To do it in the intro of our song. One of our song them, we did say something and real. In a haters.
Yeah, haters.
See me? I say, yo, that front part them, I follow Dave them, catch with Dave them. But I told them a message, right?
Oh.
So when I say, yeah, I follow Dave them and Ray, and it now work. And anyway. If you see my man, then you have word still. But because I show you the energy, the negativity where that fling now. Because being in them have cut a rhythm and being in them flood the rhythm because being in them have sung.
Couple songs
one song now put on it, but man make a juggling. So because of the rivalry between Killer and Shocking Vibes, right. Because of Bounty and Beanie. Like King had Charayan and then Beanie said, nah, voice a song for King and Ray till I think Robert and because of we, it's like Robert say, you know what? Because Robert talk to you. I say, you know why you follow King, you know? You make King pressure, you know. You make your thing in a Ray. So anyway, he must talk to King and say, all right. He will tell King, say, yo, send Beanie come vice and balance. Loud the youth then.
Oh.
You see me? And then in return we didn't go make
Scarface
again. Then. You see me?
So Scarface was a peace offering type of thing then?
No,
not really?
Not really, but because the Beanie is more a peace offering, like the Walla Walla.
Oh, Walla Walla.
Yeah.
Because 3 songs Beanie have on the rhythm, you know?
Yeah. 2 for Shocking.
2 and 1 for no.
And all I 3 of them. You see me? So, like, the Beanie was a peace offering. And then, what make everything cooler with we and him now was the mere fact say, Father Power take haters now from now when we go master it.
Right.
And go start playing at the club and them start get feedback on road say, yo, him engineer them a big song on road. Song with a bus. So
Jamie saying feel too bad about it, you know.
Or if you feel bad, so you go and vex with me, you know. And she say food I got run where you can't make money too.
Right.
Vex, man. Go and vex.
Who give me the man the cut?
Me. The man come down, actually, the wickedest thing king there out the road, the day when the man get the tape. He just never see the tape.
Something come for? Run a Jamie saying come for?
Yeah, but him come to my mark gate.
Oh.
Which is like about 2 or 3 yards away from the studio. You see me? But we did already run it off, left over mark. So when him forward now, we just put it in a vehicle. You see me? So that was the case. But when the haters thing you know, it does cement off.
Right.
Balance
So soon come around to haters. So who actually build the rhythm?
Me.
Who do the ad-libs them on it? Conley.
Conley did the recording, the vocals. Like Conley voice actually boss what? You understand?
So what answer? Conley alone voice upon haters?
Yeah. Well, I sang them.
Most I sang them and Young Conley.
Bloodstain and me and Conley. You see me? Judgment Day, Conley alone.
Conley alone.
Yeah.
You build the rhythm.
Yeah.
You build the rhythm and a Conley do haters.
Yeah.
Big song, brother.
Because Conley have a way of switching voice. You know?
Conley about DJ well.
So, like, and in because me and him have a similar voice. Mine
right.
is deeper.
Deeper, right?
You me? That's why it worked. So like him can't even write for me. Cause the pain song, this girl that tell me about pain, that song but it's Bloodstain, the same Bloodstain melody, you know? But it vice versa.
Right.
Bloodstain is just gun version, and then we have a weed version, which is ganja smoke.
Ganja smoke, right?
See? So, but when with pain now, Conley actually, like, just by forwarding every morning for the key, just when he wake me up, just the texture of my voice, man. I say, yo, let's go, man, pain out something, and wake me up one morning. I say, yo,
come DJ this.
So I go and give me the key, man. I say, how you get key? Man, I say, get up. So I go and get a man. I say, what go on? Man, I say, yo, so me and a lot of things. I say, yo, come, I have a song for your voice. I said, all right, wash my face and brush. Man said, you can't wash no face and brush your teeth, come.
I will change the texture of voice, man.
I said, don't fresh up. More you forward as studio, see me, so. Matter and booger everything. Stinking more, come. Go on there. And him put on the tape, give me the paper, and him tell me the melody, like him just talk it.
Right.
I said, I just want you to do it, see me, so like, hear me, I said, just talk. I mean, just start like whole people like one, the take is me reading. Like when I do it and then him make me listen it and do it. Man, say,
I just saw it.
So the whole song is me reading. This girl that tell me about pain, under fire, a picking of the rain, 90 miles an hour, with a big grasping, just wake. Vice, you see me? And after me done voice, him tell me, say, yo.
I hate that.
After me done voice, him tell me, say, yo, this is why him do it. Like, this is all right. Like, him
Conley a genius, brother, man.
That's why I tell you, say, with the chemistry with me and him, bro, trust me. Trust me. Like, enough people say, yo, oh, no, our friend said we. And me say, yeah, we just over.
Be a couple bars out of haters, no, man.
Enough for them. Then not like we call we nice. I bust the platinum with all a finger full of ice. We tell her pass it splurping off, we wanna pass it twice. Hey, walk, late, talk, dead. Which one are your choice? the world where this a new music device. I saw waiting and they made and then we now come out like lights. Oh, for girl don't know where we have to roll them like a dice. And fire feed them and where you did.
Like a rice. Ah. Mad brother. Oh, what about
yeah.
Dance all anthem that, you know, bro.
Trust me, bro.
That don't play no dance and blank no boss, you know.
Cool, man. And that's the unique inside. Like when you really, and then somebody said something to me there, them I say, yo, like, the song them still ahead of them time. Because you still hear time.
So like that fresh. People, I said, but why 21 for an end time still? Mad thing.
Which is good.
And then, so
ahead of your time, yeah. You know, in an expiration date.
Initially it was you and Conley, but so all Rumblood and Mean that right, become a part of the War 21 vibration.
Right, so me and Conley, Mark and Rumblood drop in now based off of, like I say, it's more gratitude. Because
Virgin vibration.
Yeah. Because Rumblood started part of me from an earlier stage. You see me? Me as a bigger youth than him. You see me? Him there everywhere we there. Him there amongst we, you know what I say, him no left we out. So it's like him there and him face the sufferation, the hard times at the studio after a while when Bounty left and you know what I mean? So it's like when we see said that gonna happen now, it's like where I say, yo, cause there was a year, you know, we there at the studio, you know.
Things rough.
That like I think it was the year before that. Yeah. The year before that. Or even the same year, one of the two. But we there at the studio and things rough and we end up did that sing anytime. At the same year, you know, cause we ended up I really broke out, inspired me to make Bada. Zine. So it's like we end up there and the Christmas, you know, yeah, I don't forget that.
I think.
A Christmas bonus, nothing like that. So, you know, we end up there and saying anytime, I was vexing him. It hurt. Yo, if you cut it, no bleed. You see me? So, because of them something, you know, like when we say that I go one way, I said to Conley, say, yo, dog, yeah, what? We have to go do something where Mark and Rumblood is concerned. Because if we don't do that, like, them not going to see nothing where we are going to see. You see me? So, me and him say, when we'd actually sign off already, me and Conley, the whole Green Sea thing.
Oh, okay.
And then we just get added extra papers and then add them to it. So, it's more based off of, we look out for one another.
Nice. But the creative minds behind War 21 are Conley and Suku, primarily.
Me, Conley, Rumblood too.
Rumblood too, okay.
Conley will put ideas.
Oh.
Enough time there when Conley had come up with some of the stuff then.
So Bada, you know, come and breathe back some life in a jamming studio.
Yeah.
People start coming around again. Many artists start seek out War 21.
Whole heap of artists like this one, Sting 98.
Right, about 98 haters, yeah. And it go over in 99 then
so
time.
Sting 99, Sting 98. After Sting 98, remember Elephant them
right.
flap forward there, so the January morning, one night I go in and my yard. And we go so when I reach at the door and I knock on the door. Because normally mother listen out for me, so I go and knock on the door, wait on it for knock, for open. And I hear like a car pull up at the gate, so I look around, so I see a silver beam on me. So yeah, Elephant jump out. Yo, fuck what? Yo, my youth, you will come find a rhythm we have around there. I said, why? Just I come around that street and I say, hey, you not got your bed right now. Then I go back around there with Vice. Done them. With Vice, Toddler song.
Fussy them.
With Vice, boom down them. Drop.
Drop,
pretty girl in the car, but like the whole of like the energy that night, they like Rumblood, Conley never did it. Rumblood, Mark, a couple more people from down in our house. Just go on there. And shut them up.
And Lexus have got to make some money on the rhythm there as well.
In the voice before.
Right, yeah, I just said that, right. Yeah. Chuck Fender have it title Bada Bada.
Yeah, so all of them, they end up voice after. So like we, Lexus, Barky Wickham and somebody, I think Vegas is voice.
Position, see the position. Man, should have seen
the position. Oh, yeah, when the voice first or the voice after. You know, the everybody else are forward. Thing they forward, when we Zebra. Selassie I saw me for one. Yeah, Sean Paul.
Selassie I warning.
Sean Paul with Faded.
Faded.
Yo.
Be a big tune up on the big gritty brother, man.
Yeah, my man. Al Dennis, bro. Al Dennis, bro, for the rhythm.
I don't do a remix with Killer on it as well.
Yeah, we did do a. Them that like I said, Killer.
Killer did out already.
Killer never to win or not with King, so you know, like we just boom, chop up some things and do a thing. Connie really made a remix.
Oh, okay, one of the baddest rhythm in a modern dancehall, brother. Easily, man. Easily. Bada, you know, come and set the stage for the man them.
Yeah.
Which one of the rhythm come on for that?
Alright, so with a volume make, me have belly as drum pattern. And
King name like that one there?
King Batty to it. In battle the
why?
In battle belly as drum pattern. Volume, we never play volume feet because there's one song there on volume.
Okay.
Which we did that plan for us put out Pain.
Oh.
Really, like, because they talk about album, so we have put up an album. So,
okay, cool.
We never had pre that till we end up Vice. Marshall them. Marshall and Ellie, but that still never do yet.
Right.
So when we play the
volume was made before Belias.
Yeah, and Giant.
And Giant.
Yeah. See, so when we go so boom, play a theme and Batty to him, I felt like, I must say, yo, we need something like Bada the same groove and really. So I said, alright. So coming up with volume, with
Belias.
No, the Belias, Giant.
The Giant.
Because
the Giant. A Giant in name or the Giant? Okay, the Giant.
Yeah, really.
Yeah, man, we figure as much, man.
So, if you notice the similarity in the bass and the change, like the I, and the so Bada, more about that.
Yes.
So it will make it. I mean, it have like, let's see, between our song and Lexus song.
Divine Reasoning.
Yeah, really saved that rhythm. Yes. In terms of, you could have considered that, we consider it a flop.
Oh, yeah?
Based off of
Bada.
Bada come tear on the place like how much we have
more than song, right?
Yeah, you see me? So with it drop, the song them major hit off it.
Judgment Day.
Yeah, and
Divine Reasoning.
And then now you have like Ellie and Toddler.
Right.
Toddler and Panic, but it never
Do a Bada though.
No. You see me?
Very few rhythms to that still, anyways.
But we give thanks, because at the time, like, we look on it.
Want to get a next hit song too?
Exactly, and we look on it this way, like, and we never worry about the rhythm wise, we don't worry about the artistry part. Because, you know, one, Fabi Dali, then we come with one song and.
Man, I drink back juice, man.
You see me? So, we then, me and Conley, I say, yo, you know what? Everybody one that thing, you know.
Yeah.
So we end up getting Judgment Day. I mean, we kind of sure of pain too, but like me say,
you never come a road yet.
Yeah. You see me? So when me actually go so boom now, we still never done it. Belly has drums in them.
That's how a pattern.
We say, alright, it's a king man. So one day, wrong move and Danny Basie come play some Crazy King. We record the thing them and everything. So I said to Danny them say, yo, never jump pattern and I want to play some things for me. I say, alright, I'm here. Boom, start playing. So we done have a tom drum in it already. We kind of carry a certain vibe. Sometimes I just want a bass line, but I don't want the bass line play too loud.
Oh, okay.
More than, you know,
Something
like play
soft and quiet.
catch.
Right.
So instead of do. So I move the other day I play it and him that sustain it too much. But you done the bass, he play bass.
Right.
Him over, so him say, yo,
come and play it.
Him play it. So we have that thing that play the keys them. The steel pan vibe there.
Oh, okay.
So like, you know, we just show we pick the sound them and them groove and we say yeah. And we set where I said, then now we add the
Belly has.
Because we that work off our we want to go back for a song like bada bada.
Like bada.
With the voice in the rhythm. But what to say? And one day we coming at the man coming at the studio and see me and eat some food. Because every time, like them time in our jam is, like any time of the day, you forward in the studio. You could just leave and see me that eat patty and orange juice. By the forwarding back, you probably see me eat crackers and cheese.
Yeah, Belly has.
So the man, like, Connie come in one day and say, yo, Virgin, you don't read Billy as, you know?
Yeah.
And then him start teasing me and I'm Billy ass, because we did there play the rhythm and me that balance up the rhythm. So me I say, yo, that's so nice, you know? So we say, girl on there. Him put on film voice and then me go on there and put on my voice. We do that twice.
So both of you on it and,
Yeah.
and the ad lib for the rhythm.
Say, Billy ass. Yeah. Twice we do that, you know, because we do that in a Ray too, you know.
Oh.
And the whole Ray vibe was, you know, we at a jeer, a chant.
Okay, right.
Cheer on somebody. Me with them mother did that and we play with him and she start that. And we like, Ray. But when the two of we say it, like when my son
click.
I say, yo. So we tell her, she and her record, we say, just press that. And two of we go around.
I want to go around there.
And just record. Flight. But 4 of them and then pick the best one.
Pick the best one.
And just flight.
Genius at work, right.
So, like, them little coincidental thing that we just work with them and, you know,
Yeah.
end up work out. So when Belia's voice start voice up now, man,
The tune, we have 2 tunes for Belias. I think we have Melody War with Wayne Marshall
3.
and Bloodstain.
We have 3 songs.
Why next song, Bunny?
There was a song named Magla and Pose.
Magla and Pose. You know alone do that?
Me and Rumblood.
Yeah, Rum Blood.
Conley and Marshall do the Melody.
Melody War.
So like them, there was just like the early stages of like
Building the rhythm.
Like we build the rhythm and we just voice and we vibe with that vibe to Magla and Pose.
Magla and Pose.
And build Magla and Pose. And then Conley in a voice, Melody War. But what happened now, where that is concerned, we make Bloodstain and go up on everything. Conley the right Bloodstain, pick up on Volume.
On Volume.
Which is the same rhythm as Pain. But we then at the studio, and like, we there and I say, yo, John, the rhythm, it a chop too hard. I remember if you have 2 successful songs already, but you see forward a dancing, you want
the more, next one.
And you can't have bad rhythm and go time. You have alright song. You want one song where a shot. So it's like Daddy and we have like me, Pearl, Rumblood, and Mark at the studio and we play billiards. Because we balance it up for mix. We didn't talk about the whole thing. I said, yo, Melody War, alright, but we want something else. So, you know, more
powerful, potent.
So we end up there and me and start DJ, the Bloodstain. You see me? So like each time we did there DJ, like the vibe of it.
Right.
You see me? So to a point where it does end up get sweet in the studio because like the rhythm up, we blast the rhythm. Like if you in there, if you can't just sit down, so yeah, whole vibe because it does sound like you're in a club already. Because we call it Stone Love.
Stone
Big box.
Yeah, man.
We call them Stone Love. So they're there. And DJ and a DJ and a DJ. So me, I tell the man, I say, yo, this to go up on the rhythm, this fit, ray. Me, I say, yo, I value me to go up and knock. Conley say I value man and say, yo, no man dog, this I go up and that ready me. I value him. Wait. So me did them, I said that one issue we got have. And I said, what? I said, I have to convince Conley to put up on this card.
So Conley wasn't there?
No. Conley reached us through there yet. The man them say, yo. Man them say, gee, I know what I remember now. Conley's a hard breath, bro. Conley tell you say, nah, do something.
Him nah do it.
Remember, you know, if him seriously nah do it, him nah do it. Do me? But man them say, yo, voice man, Ray, and Conley come worry about that. He say, alright, cool. So it's the same advice I hear.
I want to name books too.
Where you hear man say, Suku. Like we end up at DJ to a point where that rare. So every time me for start, man say Suku.
Oh.
But we never have to see them run yet.
See them run.
We just a DJ, just boom. That one and name blood stay. So me and tell the man them say, no dog, this sound like you want something at the front.
Oh.
Before, you know, and then me just dig in me hip hop album archives them when me has a listen and just find a nice hook way. A little thing where most man don't know it. You see me? I'm dead there and I hum it and the man I say, yo!
I hate that.
I hate this, you know. I say, alright, boom. And we shot it up. Conley forward now. I said, Conley. Me know Conley stay there, so me said so. Man, them hyping and the man I say, yo, Conley. Especially Pearl. I remember that I say, yo, Conley. Blood, yo, Suku, the song there. Watch Conley face.
Value me one thing there.
And him not depend on the hype, but them depend on the member. The man never want the pan already.
Yeah.
Man, then I shoot and play it, watch me stand up. Cause my friend, you know him good. He stand up, so I watch him. And him dead there. This is what we do. I say, yo, we just want you right, just a know, cause every man in there know I start saying, fussy boy, get. And I hype the thing. Yeah, man. Watch him now. Dog another really made for vice pan, you know.
So you say?
Yeah, bro. Me stand on one side. Me just allow them to talk to him. And then you have more people can like jump to them and forward.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so he's like, in a sense, him see.
See, I saw your thing for you.
Him hear it, but because I know that thing he wanted pan, he's like, if you ask him to the day, man, tell you, say, yo, I never want it pan already.
Value me should end up on.
I value me, but I just saw music go. And now he want it in a word that we
right,
work,
true,
but
true,
still just I say, dog, I never that ready me. And I so come that But when him actually do it now, I say, yeah. And then boom. A history after that.
Big tune, man. There a couple bars out there, bro.
That one your name Bloodstain. All this week up fall like rain. The man them with them one gun just bust it up. No, alright.
My thing.
Yeah.
Big rhythm again, brother. And then now, that rhythm came in the middle of a thing between Moses and Capleton.
Alright, this is Moses the first controversy. Moses, the old killer event, King Moses. Controversy.
Whole heap of local things in it.
Capleton and him controversy. Beanie come vice?
Heights of Great Men.
I think Capleton vice first, you know.
Shango vice first?
I think so, if I'm not mistaken, because there was a case where
A Beanie vice first, man. Beanie vice first and Shango come vice. Because let me tell you how I got there. Uno did feel like say Capleton I got half up to.
Yeah,
and Capleton and link on.
I think that's something in that sense.
Yeah, why?
And the reason why the link seal up to is because of Bravo.
Bravo, right.
You see me? So like when we hear say Capleton, I thought that's a lie.
Right. Can all Jammies say Capleton vice, man?
Yeah.
I Beanie vice us, man.
Yo.
So Moses vice.
The reason why I think that because at one point there was a case where I said, all right, that man I go, oh yeah, Beanie, because Capleton, even if Capleton advice first, Beanie, or him stay in one business, he would have still come back.
Come vice, right? You don't be in a business, right?
Beanie advice first. True, can't be sent up for them, the Rasta boy them. And Dirty Dread not being on a pipe and railway. Yeah, true. But yeah, man.
So heights of great men. That was the truth of Beanie Vice.
Beanie Vice, and then
I Shango come Vice, slow them.
Jeez.
You did not the studio in Shango Vice.
Yeah. Nobody couldn't go away. Because the whole time King, I remember like I said, me are the senior engineer.
Right.
So between me and Conley, I wouldn't say Conley apprentice neither.
Right.
Me and Conley are the senior engineer then. You understand? But King means more like Suku. Conley we get call if me not there. But like once King said, Suku do this. And you know, say me and Conley got this. See me? So the whole of it there, we couldn't leave. Man say, yo, keep it on forward, make sure the line ready, make sure the track there. One but we have to end up transfer and make sure say, you know, in case you want a double track or
right.
You know, so we can't have one track. You understand? We end up have a fresh cut. So we have that line up. Everything line up, rhythm balance up. Cause it mix the same night too. Yeah.
Who Jammy's mixing?
Whatever balance it.
Because
we done balance already. So
right.
when you do you must add few little touches. Cause you know him there, man.
Right. You want to make sure say it thing.
You know, make sure the vocals them are chopped too. Yeah, man. You make sure see them and punch it. So even the burp, the belch.
The belch.
I want to start
them. I know one go man.
Yeah, man. The burp. After the whole song done, cause like me say, him start saying he want to stop him.
Right.
And that's a shot. And the whole studio burn up. After I'm done now, I say,
fix that.
King want to fix the burp. I say, fix which burp? When me hear King say, cause me say it, you know.
Right.
Cause me know him staying might say, yo,
fix that.
Take out, do over. King said, fix what? Left the burp, man.
Ruben.
Yo, burp.
Studio mash up, brother.
Slow them up here, feelings them I carry. Them done but already and them can't say. Yo, if any man start DJ, you will and shoot that mash up. Trust me. Like that song they like there and then he just know say that song they are gonna hit. Because the energy will come out of you.
The man done left the energy now, it's still little brother.
Man, 1 million on apart.
Yeah, that
when him shoot around, you know.
And he never mind that time there.
Mind? Yo, King of business. when song done everything here the next day. Yo. You know, I'm not too like Bagaman now, man. You shoot a full last night, you know. Yeah, King. Flag on me already.
But you Shanga come in.
Yeah, man, no one left. Remember, you know, alright. You see, the thing is, there was a lot of people that, in terms of, we hear a song voice, but King never did it. See me and say, at one point there was certain artists who come round. So when you actually hear say that artist there, no one left.
Nah, left.
Even when Bounty man hears a Bounty come voice, he couldn't believe. But are we make a killer tell you?
Come on, girl.
Hillview say, yo, are you make we're not busy like, you know, and then long after him and King balance our back. You see me I say? So, you know, we bridge the gap, we bring peace.
What if a balance to it?
Yeah. You see me? Like enough man where enough people used to afraid to come on our house. Enough man used to say, nah, come on, man them forward.
Belly has forward and one. Stop the man them name in the street again, brother. Rhythm big. Name. Phone song pan rhythm big.
Creep up and become one of the thing there.
But if you ask me about Belly has rhythm before song, I'm going to sing for you.
A blood stain. Say after a while.
I don't take your rhythm.
The main songs, for like hear the order. Heights of Great Men.
Slow them.
We after.
Bloodstain.
Zine. And I want
Watch Your Friends with Toddler up on there.
Watch Your Friends.
The big tune.
Cabra.
Cabra,
Watch
right?
Your Home. Gotta make some money. See? But in terms of like the fire one
right.
was like when we see our one at Dede was Capleton. Was Beanie, Capleton. So that's what it used to play. Until it ended up a flip. So you hear Capleton first, or you hear Re first, they hear Capleton, they hear Beanie. Like them just rotate them. Till the end.
If I say Belly as the first, I'm going to sing till a blood scene. It's a
like,
natural vibration.
With most people.
It's a natural vibration.
But no, like no in our dance,
after.
like no in our dance, like current present day, it's two of them. So if you hear Bloodstain, you know Capleton are forward. If you hear Capleton, you know we are forward. Some man will still edge and play probably two more, probably Beanie and the Toddler. You see me?
You can't leave out the Toddler, you know, brother.
And then you have some man
that, you know.
Some man may have to wonder if them one of them box because me hear a man play slew them and I hear Bloodstain, I say a lie. You know, have it there, but like when I be there dance and hear a man play Showtime. Friday night me there somewhere and hear a man play Showtime. The man play Beanie. And I think the next song I didn't play Killer.
Yeah, play Killer.
I said, hold on. And then him play Show Off, which him play Movada, him not play the Killer. So I say he play two rhythm.
And
but
the Killer not play.
At the fire
a Killer dog them up.
No, Killer never did it, but me just say.
No, like, man, me I say a Killer dog up rhythm them.
Me I say, hold on. Like, me I look on him, look back good and say, alright, me I really know him still.
And every man play music right still, you know what I think?
Some man are dead for download the song them
still.
Laptop can't hold.
Volume Rhythm was the next rhythm forward after that.
Volume, I think Volume did a play in between.
In between?
Yeah, because we did end up
push it out.
We did Vice, Ellie, and them sang the Vice on a vibe. So Marshall and Baby G.
Oh, okay.
Bling bling. Yeah. Firehouse Anthem, One More Start a War. PM.
I'll go juggling that said way, man.
But then they actually did drop. Like as a 45. As
45. Oh, okay.
So like when we actually work on the rest side, you know, put out the
right.
You'd have like Bounty, you'd have Beanie Man, Cabra, T.O.K.
I can't want to know a Vice without a Vice. For industry too. Because about 20 odd songs.
Everybody used to fight with.
Bada and Bellias and then never.
And hear what? Artists them come check you again.
Just Vice them.
Remember, you know, these are people where, in most cases, them never that forward. So when they're forward, they can't.
You have to Vice them. At the time, because we know, so War 21 was the brain behind the whole operations around the Jammies at the time. You guys actually had a label by the name of Mentally Disturbed.
Yeah.
So that was a formal thing.
Yeah, man, that we meant that.
Right.
We come up with the name.
So question again now. Bada, Bellias, The Joint, Volume, Hot Lava, Dark, all those rhythms. Which label them rhythm did they on?
Right,
Jammies?
So Bada did on Jammies label. Hot Lava, Dark Pound, Jammies label. So Bellias, Joint, Volume. Majority of what come after them three.
Mentally Disturbed.
Mentally Disturbed. Because King actually make it because of the blue label, the original label.
Right.
Him never want, you know, you have certain
thing by
label. Yeah,
right.
you want to, you know what I mean?
Mix.
So you'd probably like have a more grittier. So Mentally Disturbed was like the grittier thing.
Just like Red Rose them with the underground.
Yeah.
And them other thing there. Certain things are underground label there on, you understand?
So like certain, and then so the majority of the production, the time around there, Mentally Disturbed. Because I think them did mentally. On the
first album, actually, Mentally Disturbed, 2001. And then now, as it relates to album 2003 again, you know how we roll. Which I want on a catchphrase that basically.
Yeah.
Who normally do that? You are Conley. Then King of the World in 07. Then you have Genesis in 09.
Yeah, you have to go and tell me.
And still Disturbed in 2014.
At 2014 we did drop it?
I think I see places say at 2017, I see places at 2016, but I see more 2014, so that my pick. No, you see Russia that reality, they see it repeated. I tell you, I see 16, 17, and I see 14 more time than them. So I say, yo, if so many sources have you 14 and 14,
they don't in that region. Yeah.
Between 14 and 17 still.
Yeah.
I'm not sure away. Good, solid collection of work, brother. Enough money in I think long time and have an album. And these albums were all released through Greensleeve?
No, like for some the later ones, them like I think two of them did release on that Greensleeve. Label. Mentally Disturbed and You Know the Road.
Yeah. Before we go any further, we know that Dave Kelly is the man where we can't say it, idolize and try to replicate some of his successes. But Beenie Man also played a significant role in the emergence of R21, man.
Yeah, man. But the reason why I tell you Dave is because of the way you did ask me.
Right, yeah, man, I understand, man.
Like how we actually end up in that direction there, so where that is concerned.
Yeah. What Beenie Man actually do for the one them do?
Alright, Beenie, I think I name out when we can remember. For link with and take the cut of the rhythm.
Right.
That's a one. Yeah. When we do Pain, we do a thing at James Brown Beach, Pepsi thing. Michael Jackson Pepsi something.
Oh, okay.
And I think that was like the second time I saw him see me a DJ the song. So after me done, him comes into backstage and the man say, yo, hey Red boy, you see next time. I know me from no water. Say, hey Red Murray boy. You see next time you hear a DJ that song then. I lick it out without giving his buckle. I say, so I laugh and man I say, yeah laugh. Man say, stop DJ the songs up on stage, man. Come you say DJ, don't want your name. Man I say, yo, I forward you look. Man say DJ like how you DJ upon the record and you see forward. You never forget. First time I DJed so, oh God.
Going forward.
I feel like a God. So, like them two moments, and him always see me and what I say?
Right.
But like them two that stand up.
I never itch a voice when I rhythm them either.
No.
I'm saying man have three
even
songs
to
for
that
one
day,
rhythm, man.
Yo, even to that day, sometimes me Blue with us call me, yo, DJ want to record some song, himself a call you. I say, alright, that's good.
Or take the voice or?
Yeah, he just want to record some song.
Oh, okay.
But that's me more to record some.
Oh, okay.
And sometimes me would probably have a juggling them and say, yo, me have this thing. I say, oh yeah man. So even artist man alive, me met the beat.
You met the beat?
Me and Riff Rock.
Yeah.
He just call me and say, yo, me make 2 beat. In Vice, he never next bad song. But the studio flood out and wash the hard drive. How much of the hard
film
drive?
studio where there now?
Yeah.
Man, yeah.
Yeah, mash up the hard drive with the song. But yeah man, even in my album with they call me have
well nobody kinda release it yet. You release?
no meaning when him the record.
Oh, okay, when him the record, okay.
Man, them call.
You do some work on it.
Yeah.
Speaking
Produce
of
something on it too.
okay, cool. Speaking about do some work, brother. American Rhythm. Me say you build a rhythm there.
Me and Titi must.
Yeah, and Titi Mouse.
Yeah. Titi play the bass and the keyboard.
And Cartel and Conley mash you up.
Alright, so with that song now, Cartel actually record the song, the verse them. And tell Jam 2 say man link him back.
A Jam 2 tune?
Yeah.
Okay.
You see me? So like Jam 2 have everything now. Keep sizzle everybody now and say yo, I think Bounty up on it too. He want to drop. Them time you send things on
right.
So Green Sea I tell them say yo, when I wait on him need the thing there. So I come there one day and Jam 2 I say yo, come have a Cartel. Cartel now come back here right now, I need to send off this. So he play it. Tell Connie say I need a hook.
Need the hook.
Play it. Connie just come up with the argument because You know, Conley's a madman. It worked out perfect.
And I climb on Carl, for John Paul.
Rise Up My Berry.
Classic, brother.
Shot them from primary.
I think your voice is up on that song, but I learn after say a Conley and Cartel.
Yeah, Conley.
But then I figure say, I hear well, I learn say, you build the rhythm. Mad thing, man.
Cool, man. I will ever think you make
They ask about cars. We don't know enough of the things. Tell me some of the things I want to talk about yet where a Suku responsible for them. So them.
Alright, so. Girl, you better can't stop. I mean, when I read it.
Yeah.
And my watch when I say, I want to be a...
The nearest. Yeah, I know.
You make the drums to that.
You make a drum.
You have one when I have no phrase. One girl, anytime I play the girl and get mad.
Yeah.
I can't remember the name.
I can't remember my name.
You see me?
I remember not know that tune.
I don't want to mix it up.
Oh, you don't want to mix it up? So if you remember then something one.
Eh?
If you remember then something brother.
That breathing.
Yeah, what that things where you do.
But they actually, which I have a phone here, probably would I just go back to Instagram. But they actually find a name and put it in a post. So like my name all the things. Majority of them remember.
It's a pity me never say that.
You see me?
Yeah.
What you call it? Clean Rhythm.
Clean Rhythm.
With Popcorn. Me made that. That name. Show Off.
Yeah, I mentioned that earlier.
See me? Tita Pull.
Tita Pull.
Cabra. Touch her back away.
Tita Pull. Yeah?
Yeah. See? Alright. I know me met this, but my idea going into it, comedy met the drums first.
Oh, okay.
Say, girl, make you have to come more. Girl, are you alone? You don't find it. The way the rhythm set up, when they make the drums them.
Yeah.
So I get TJ, but I think the drums them are too grimy.
Yeah.
So I just make them play about the groove.
Yeah. As I said, TJ, I need to ask something about that, but yeah, go on talk.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
yeah, I have
some things in that something there. That will
I actually do the playing.
Yeah, man, I understand,
that's the concept. Artwork.
That are Vegas. You build the rhythm.
Yeah. And the one broke it down.
Vegas again.
Yeah, but the actual rhythm I hear, I know me, because me the go away.
So you build it, the drum pattern?
No, but they build it first when it just create.
Oh.
But them they want to change some things. But me they fly out. So them just call Titimus and then me.
Suku a genius, man.
So, you know, but yeah, man, what heap of things, bro. This I can't remember.
I realize you can't remember that.
What heap of things.
Yeah. As I said, you mentioned TJ just now. I think I read it somewhere where you were influential in Scatter's and TJ's emergence in production phase of the thing.
Yeah, because TJ, when TJ got JC, he used to parody.
Okay.
Jammies. Scatter now as a man I used to play sound, and as me as a man I used to play sound, like just the mere fact, like where we come go on with it influence him for the film thing. Him tell me enough time, even when they were there up and down sound attack, and he might say Rolex used to play a thing there. Yeah, man. That's true, like most people are there and say, yo, dog. Enough people have to remind me, I say, dog, you know enough all the things they do. So they go on like, you know, do me say.
But that me I say that you know even remember something when the smoke clear, Marshall Killer, you're responsible for that too.
Yeah.
You wrote the song or just the rhythm you make?
No man, we production.
Role production.
Rhythm, yeah. So me made the drum pattern. Titi must play the bass. And
Titi must look like chemistry right, that's what too,
man. Man. Even I rap rhythm.
Yeah.
Titi must again on the phrase them. So I'm not afraid to tell no man, like, you know, someone that say, yo,
right, I mean,
I take the whole rights to rhythm, bro. I mean, if I make the drums,
Simple.
Me make it.
Right.
Jimmy, man, I do in my heart. It says me and him. So automatically, man, I hear me say me first, because without the drums, without the foundation of the house,
there's no house.
There's no roof. No, you know what I'm saying? So, but you have some man who just take everything.
And the next man, Glory.
Yeah, depend on that.
You guys left Jammy's studio eventually.
Yeah.
And signed to Natural Bridge.
No, we never signed.
We never signed to Natural Bridge.
We did just approach it on a production level, like, you know, partnership.
Oh, so it wasn't the artist type of vibe, it was production.
It's production. It's like, and we never sign up, we just, you know, link up, yo, we got thing there, we got work, you do stuff for we do stuff.
Okay, because you're out in the streets, you sign Natural Bridge sign on us still. So
well, I mean, people want to say that.
I written that stuff, I tell you online we see it. So
yeah, them like me say. Them just get the thing that, like, oh, you there and say it and me.
Right, I correct it, you know.
If you go put it in your thing, you know, then
they know.
You stay like them.
I'm gonna stay like them.
All right.
Zane, why you not left Jammy's?
All right. There's about some things never stay like how it did stay before. The king is a man and controlling him really.
Yeah.
So him start get controlling and him the free we up like how we used to free up. You know what I mean? And then now start getting frustrated based off of, you know, you probably expect certain things and you not see it. So once the contract done with us.
Oh, so you guys were on the contract run by Jammy's?
Based on the
Green Sleeve thing. So. Oh, okay.
So the minute that done with us.
On just step. On King good?
Yeah, we're him good, man. We're him good. Like me say, with the freshen of the thing as some youths where the music part I know, the actual music and the industry and where you go through now, you get exposed to that.
Right.
So when you start learn and you start seeing of things now, you start getting knowledge of things. Automatically you got things there. You know, some people, if them not depend on the outside I look in, they might look on it a different way. Until you probably talk. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's one of them things.
In if memory serves me correctly, in about 2008, Rumblood left the group.
Yeah.
What happened there, sir?
That was, we just decided, you know, more time, you know, most people will feel like money issues are real.
It wasn't that.
See, the thing is, me and Conley, we always deal with things. Like me say, we show gratitude. You see me, and at one point, if we had the work and we had talk to you more time about things and you go like, we had talk to you about, you know, put no respect on it, you know what I say? And remember, you know, this is some way we could have just stay. You see me? So after a while we just say, yo, on, go one side. If you're not pulling away. Any man, if they're not pulling away, the way I tell them to go one side. You see me? You know, that between me and Conley, we're not going to tell one of them to go one side. we are going to probably just say, yo, dog, you know, we say, kind of not feel this no more or whatever. You know what I say? But it's not going to be, yo.
Right.
Go on your way, you go on my way.
So our 21 is still our 21?
Yeah, man.
Just without Rumblood. So it's Conley, Suku, me and Dog.
Okay.
Realize you don't call me and Dog, you call him Mark.
So I mark him name.
Yeah, we understand. We understand. Bro, we know the name on the birth certificate is Andre Gray. How the Suku thing that come about? Where the Suku name come from?
The name Suku. Alright, so here I'm get the name Suku now. You'd have a youth to play football at Waterhouse, you see me? They live down the road from me. So my avenue, they're right across from the ball ground. So like, he was like, you know, you have famous baller. He was like one of the famous one, them, and like, me always want to go over there when him a play. You see me? So, like, in time, him reach over there, me always link my mother and say, yo, mummy, Suku over the background. I want to go watch them play football. You see me? So, that's how me get the name. Because I ask her, she explained to me, say, that was the case. Because I know in a little, you know, I remember, what going on. You see me? So, that's how she make me know. So that's how me get the name. Is it?
You, as I said earlier, bro, whether your mom said yes or no, you probably can't tell me that you wear most of the hats in the entertainment thing. Production, engineering, DJing, building rhythms, all of them something. Which aspect of the thing you enjoy the most?
Production.
Production. Why?
Because I realize that from the jump, that was where really make way.
Oh, okay.
Actually come through the gate. See what I say? If you ask Connie, man, tell us the same thing.
Production.
Me like the DJing aspect too. Because me like what end up happening and the exposure when we get the experiences.
Right.
You see me? But like when time we actually out there and just hear and the people and the expression and you know what I say? It do overwhelming vibe, but the production is more comfortable because you know if you are looking at much people face like that if you want to just in a zone by yourself, you can just in a zone. So you don't have to deal with much. You see me?
Just create.
Just create. You don't take one leap out of you more than focus on just create.
I follow the rhythms them who are 21 responsible for. Which one of them you enjoyed building the most?
I don't know if you answer that question.
I don't know if you answer that.
Because if they come, alright, me not a favorite.
You not a favorite.
And the building of them weird. So you know say we can't answer that one day. Bada. Can remember the thing is bada make the weirdest way. You ever just picture somebody there in our studio, him alone. Him one. He just come like a mad scientist in our lab.
Yeah.
Mentally disturbed. I make the drum. I just start learning to play the drum machine. See? Ideas that come to me. I don't have nobody there to help me to make the idea happen. So I sit down and I think, what could I do?
To make this work.
Yeah. So like there's a cowbell, there's some little vocals frequency that's like like feedback frequency in the rhythm will sound nice because of where we end up doing to make it. But it's actually me I try get something recorded. I put the headphone over the mic.
Forget that. I'm going to device in both.
Press record and record it. Then when I listen back, I hear a bag of feedback and so I end up running through the gate and compressor tighten up. So it depends on how tight you get certain frequencies. So like the way we get hi-hat frequency if you add to the hi-hat when we get a cowbell frequency if you add to the rhythm to get a cowbell the way you hear it. And some other little things. Just out of that one thing. So each time you tighten something bounce it, loosen up certain ways, get certain things.
Bada.
So this picture, man, in that one lab, I run up and down and think that like that's me. And then long after, like when me actually get apartheid out of the way and did it in the day, I call it that walk in with some original from apart. Cause they make one, I think it was a Labor Day. Make one Labor Day.
Labor for love, man.
Yeah, alone in the studio. I just run on my yard, stream up my set run on my yard. Let my other virgin them run there play it. And through me have the key, like I said, I come run at the studio. just I learned about the drums, so me fascinated me, that's why I come over by. And so coming up with it. I mean, there was a one sound in a showtime, no, broke out.
Broke out.
And you hear just at the starter, which get like this and them not in
your class.
Right at the start.
I forgot pay attention to that.
Always, Dave never use it much. I think him having a Praga song too, I think. It's probably up on the rhythm.
Showtime?
Yeah. No, not showtime, broke out.
Broke out.
Yeah, the first girl will fly up in your face. I come the first girl.
Do it and done.
Yeah, so just them two there. Me always hear it and I never yet hear none of that. I said, no man.
You want it?
That sounded nice. Like, I said, Dave, like, the way of Dave use sounds, it means a man, when we sit down here, I make rhythm like how enough man make rhythm like. Then we sit down in a studio and make a billion rhythm for the day. We sit down in the studio all day and I do nothing. We just sit down in there and I sit down.
Yeah.
And probably by the next morning, I probably even decide to I'm going to leave.
Something
click. Probably hear something. And then I end up with something. So, you know, I'm not force myself to make rhythm.
Yeah, to make it flow. Of the rhythms where I know you're involved in now, which one of them you love the most?
The one of them I know me involved in.
Yeah, when you met them.
What I mean, like
other man met them, man.
From Dave and them people.
Them man.
Dave, where Dave is concerned, Showtime.
Showtime.
Not that's a one, because it's more than one. Like when I say all, but like the one that may really stand out certain ways. Showtime. Stink
about rhythm.
Yeah. Rare rhythm.
Rare.
And
broke out. Dave, I heard that for true.
And
Dave, I heard that.
And the thing, you remember that thing there? You remember Fiesta rhythm?
Yes, man.
Fiesta drop. We never liked Fiesta that much.
Yeah.
Based on the rhythms that we know.
Right.
It's like
it was the hardcore Dave Kelly rhythm, true.
Nice, Missy said around the place and everything about me. I said, no man. And then the man did have a cut when the voice damn, baby shame, wait now they
right.
Nice things.
I like that one there.
That one the me love. So like, you know what I say? So that too. And backyard.
Backyard.
Auntie.
Big rhythm.
All
of Dave Kelly rhythm.
Yeah. Steely. Mama take the cake for me and
when.
And the reason being, Mama, at the time, when me hear Mama, bruh, I was just a bus. You see me? Me just a see baby when around.
Yeah.
And when me hear that rhythm there and I sang them, I said, no. Tiger, when I go to school, and that rhythm they drop. Gun in a Baggy, which is Tony Kelly. Tony and Dave. Bro. Brett Abadami rhythm.
Brett Abadami.
That's Steely.
Steely.
Winston Riley production. Lie now.
Taxi. No.
Yeah, Taxi. And enough of the all I rhythm them make with Black Hole them and Dennis Brown and like there's no standout one.
Right, but all of them big.
Coming up to even the new era. Like
right.
Fed Up and them rhythm. Bam Bam. Yeah.
Which artist you find it easiest to work with Nice Studio?
Easiest. Well.
Chemistry just right. You get them get you clear understanding.
Bounty.
Killer. The man who then say,
no, you
go make a cut in though, eh?
Yeah, I tell you. And it does have, you see the thing is with enough artists, even Sean. Enough man say, yo, Sean take forever or whatever. Brother, you have to have patience. You have to just understand how a man stay.
Adapt and adjust
and guess
to
what?
that person.
Me, the witness that person would feel it.
Oh, okay, right.
See me?
Them
Like,
girl, the faded.
and that make him even rate me even more, because when him forward for Vice, more than 1 hour in the studio. You see me? And me, I do the work still.
Right.
You know. And then when him come on, when him actually done Vice and come on, there was nobody there but me and Massey and Luga, man. You see me? He might tell me that after. You see me? So, like, even now, if you want something do certain ways,
Link you.
and me go, Killer now, Killer is a man that, me know Killer still is a man that, you know, himself, if he rate you like that, you can't tell him anything. You see
True
me?
that.
Because remember, you know, if you go on like you know too much, that's the difficulty there. You see me? You can't, like, me, a man a record me know what me want, but at the same time, I listen to you.
Right.
So if what you are telling me it's not fully valid, me I gotta tell you, say, no man, me I got that way I gotta keep it. I understand what you say, but that way. So when me actually done, you will say, oh yeah, see what.
Like that.
But if it questionable, you can't give it a try. So Killer, if certain thing questionable, you might go say Ray, and you still give it a try. So if you listen back and say, yo, but you know, alright, look at stay good next time. Some man know you can't tell him no. You know,
So I say. War 21, Suku, Conley, Rumblood, and Mean Dog is probably the last, well, hardcore dancehall group arise in the thing. I mean, we have TOK, but TOK is more mellow.
Yeah.
You understand? And thing. And uno kind of catch the last of the crew thing about ya.
Yeah, like me, like we always tell, we always say, we are Craigie them talk. It's a Craigie. You know, we are more like the Wu-Tang and we are more like the Backstreet.
They're more mellow for true, yeah, man. I saw you go for true, brother. I saw you go for true. War 21 still, you said, together. We still go road, we still work together, voice together, perform together. Enough I group then now do that, and brother. Give thanks, man.
Because they're not a friendship.
They're not a friendship. They're not a friendship.
Not a friendship.
Yeah.
See, the thing is, there's friendship where, you know, every man know the struggles. So no man to make, like, certain little things. You understand? And then they understand individuals. So, like, Connie know me stay. Me know Connie stay. We know Mark stay. We know Rumble stay. So, we not make them thing they not supposed to get you edgy to the point.
Right.
You understand?
Mad thing.
The only way is if you actually know and you still a push button.
Yeah.
It's not gonna work.
There's a song we not talk about, well, we just mention it, but in my head, based on Overseas, is probably one of the most successful songs.
Yes, sir.
Ganja Smoke. Overseas. So it's a good guess that.
Ganja is universal.
Universal, right. But probably Bloodstain are the biggest tune locally.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bloodstain.
But Ganja Smoke across Europe, across the waters. The song them Uno do, which tune you love out of them the most?
You don't want to ask me. Me nah none.
None. Then me have to ask you, you tell me that you don't know if me not ask you.
I tell you, say,
that a rhythm and tune are two same thing.
Not a favorite.
So you're not a favorite.
Because me and my man just love a variety of things like that. There's one thing we will play. If you hear me play it more than one time, like over and over,
right.
you say, yo,
the one is
but it's not a favorite.
But you love it.
But we just love it.
We do song with Marshall, we do song with Kiprich, I think, as well. We do song with, who else we do song with? Let me ask you before me keep on, I guess.
Ellie. Who else? Killer.
We do something with Major Lazer?
Yeah, yeah.
A vocals on have one that are a bill something for you?
No, man.
Vocals. And you want to do song with Marcy Chin? I want to just bring her up on the street.
We do things with her. I think we have something with her. We are not on mentality. So yeah, my magician.
My magician. Yeah. Right. Of the people that are still active, is there anybody where me I talk about you now, not necessarily War 21, but you don't mind going to the studio go buy something with?
Yeah, majority of them are there.
Yeah. So like a politically correct answer, you know, Suku, but me I work with it.
No, but I don't like.
Oh, okay.
Remember, I know. Remember, when me would have produced different from where I produce. You see me? I say?
Sure.
So, in a my lane, I don't mind them come by.
As I said that.
Remember music, you know?
Yeah. They said that. I see a thing recently where you, Vegas, Latte J. Latte J? I think Latte J.
Oh, yeah, I thought.
With Snow Cone. Something there, right. I and Latte J take that still, you know.
I remember of your song, you know.
Yeah. She DJ first, man.
Oh,
she DJ first? That's my DJ
before.
The
medley?
Right, in a medley. Yeah, man. I and her.
You know your Sasko song, man?
No, I just right. Sasko never involved in that.
No, I'm never in the
right, okay. In the rhythm. Man, thing, man.
Sasko, they pen my song.
Sasko wrote your song.
Like, when they come up with the four.
Right, I just said that. Yes, finish that.
First line.
Yeah.
The first line, we just did that thing like based off on Super Cat song.
Oh.
And I said, let me say is it Brooklyn, your face. But the cat him I said, let me say Miss Digital, you feel it, me.
Okay. Sasko, in an interview, I said there was a song where you, well, I don't know if I will War 21, but yeah, do background on it. I said, I'm saying thing him about. I don't even remember the song.
For him?
Yeah, man. I think him saying voice when I jammies, man, and he must say, yo, I War 21, I carry him arm, and he must say, yeah. Boss, you know, I just don't buy title like that.
I think I'll give it them.
I remember. Thing.
The word Red Square, they did it.
Okay. So you actually do things with Sasko then,
yeah,
too, man? Because basically a collaboration there.
From a long time. And I did the thing. I did make the Run the Place rhythm theme.
You made Run the Place? For both of us?
Yeah. Yeah, this is.
Me know already, man.
Yeah, man. Me and Sasko, I want to tell him supposed to link him up.
The place.
Supposed to link him up soon.
Him always about one sitting, man.
Bucky went to the supermarket. Where they tell me, say, we need to link up. So I tell him, say, you never him farm, you know.
I know I never the farm.
Just link him up. There, I'm supposed to mix a song for him too. You know, the process of mixing it.
Okay, cool, man. Cool. Well, that man has a work on something still. Yeah, bro. Looking at the journey, bro, is there any one thing when you look upon it? I mean, I talk about not from 120, but as a Suku perspective, when you look upon it, it make you feel proud. Anything along the journey, when you look at it, you say, yo, you know, say, Andre Gray, something that.
The work.
The work
I'm put out. The work I'm put out and the acceptance. And when the people, like when people reach out to me and, you know, like, yo, you can see the appreciation.
Right.
You see, because sometimes in a yard, yeah, remember say we don't really give
credit where credit is
like
due.
that. Like a man, if a man feel like him tell you, you gotta take it. You know,
it's a cost of anything.
But out there, when the people them give you credit,
yes,
make you feel like you do something. Because sometimes you're there and just feel like you're not doing.
You feel like it sometimes?
Me? You see, you me just always have a level mind. That's kind of time man for mind. Somebody say, you forgot to say artist, like, you forgot to say you produce, but one, you just normal out. I say, at the end of the day, I'm a human being, you know. So when all of that thing there, what one? So, it's just easy. Take care of you with them.
Yeah.
And live.
How many of them?
7.
7 of them.
We get our grandpitney. So you know the thing
yeah,
about,
congratulations, man.
Few times, man.
Yeah. Faded. Was that on Sean Paul Dirty Rock?
Who?
Faded. Them girls are faded.
Yeah, it did up on the... No, never did on the track. It did up on the first one. Stage one.
Stage one. Do you have a piece of work that was on a Grammy winning album?
Alright, so I do work on Coffee album. I do production, but
yeah, the work on it.
The record, song from that for Teflon, with she and Jade.
Okay.
And made have something to do with Wayne in it too. The Toast recording. But because supposed to re-record it.
Okay.
I tell her I say no one record.
You know one record.
That's a fair sound and me just show her 2 spots where she didn't need fix.
Yeah. Me see some Grammy thing and I never know which direction it come from. That's why I ask question.
And then Sean latest project,
Trinity.
the nomination. No man.
Not the one the other day. Yeah.
Me do recording and mixing.
Okay.
The whole project, so.
Okay.
Just produce a song. Me have a song with me and him probably. Him produce. Name Spaceship.
Spaceship. So, yeah, go on, brother.
Neatly.
Neatly. We see it, man. We see it. No excitement, no loudness. Neatly.
Me have a tune with same major laser we asked about.
Right.
We drop a tune with a girl from Brazil named Ludmilla.
Ludmilla, yeah. Me say that. Me kind of see reference to that.
Yeah. That me depend on that too.
Enough little things.
Sneakingly.
You know? Publishing wise though, bro. When the reason with them and them from them time till now, you know, there's a constant complaints, you know, royalties and publishing issues with it. How things stay with Suku and that.
Alright. It might not so bad as for them one. But my face my share, right?
Face your share.
Yeah, because the thing is, you know, it's just something you never, if you never know about it at first, you're gonna get a beat for the first part. But it depends on that'll be for a couple of years, because you're gonna get tired for a couple of years. And then if you know fight or try get yourself out of it and have your thing them now, then you might just still another board. Yes. Yo, with most of them, the man them never know nothing about publishing, none dull.
Nobody not tell them.
So yeah, so even when them I find out now, it wait certain ways because certain things in a man name, the ownership and you know what I say? So
but things are so bad on your side, I fence.
No, cause me actually lucky enough,
I like just
investigate certain little things and just try to figure out what
to do and sort it out.
Yeah.
Nice one. Musically, what the man not achieve it? Him think him want to achieve something. Nothing specific.
No,
I go and beat them neatly.
That's why I'm going
and whatever happen.
That's why I'm do some music and if Jah decides say yo, you do what you know, so make a couple production for yourself, couple million and
you accept it?
Yeah.
Willingly.
Remember in a film when I'm like me I do my part.
Right.
So if that for go on, it go on. If it not for go on, we can't fight it. You see me? Like right now, I have a thing with Popeye Caution and Safari and Zeke and
yeah.
You know,
in the works are they road already?
They are road.
They are road.
Take time bubble up.
Take time bubble up.
Them a do them work. Them
promotion.
Them a promote it. I see stories I hit a play upon at 97. I think a DJ Young Chow that played. Power 105. You know them stations, yeah, big stations. So you know, it's a good look.
So you're working with is that so right now they're a big yard, right? Like a big yard that they are independent. Yeah, is independent producer.
But big yard,
yard. Big yard, a yard.
Yeah. So they are with Chris them. Chris are up on album, Chris are up on nothing. With they have with a vibe. Busy, more time busy forward. And like me say, from the thing is when you're there places where a man comfortable certain ways. What about things get from in and working?
Creativity can flow, man.
Right, yeah, so it's like just a different dimension. Like you're in here, so you're good. Like that's good energy. The man in here, whole vibe. Sometimes we just step on the front, drink, talk, play music from our JBL box, so we have whole vibe. And next time we in a shooter vibe.
The summer.
Yeah, so we had get up, come and some left go me or we left go party. So no animosity not there, no negative vibe, no man like either bolt and every man come on them all the time. No man go on like them more than a man have more money than a man. Man I talk to you easy. Some man will probably have 110 and I might come and feel like you know, have to chat to you because I name him. The man here will vibe, party and run joke.
You happy, bro?
Everybody happy. Even my daughter, one night we there around and I post something and she say, yo, Dad, I say you're in here around that studio, you're really happy for you. Why you tell me it's true? Because I tell her, I say, when we're around here, just difficult, she said, Daddy, when you're around, so it look like you're around there cool and rave, I say, yeah. Then we actually post it now, she can't say, see, that's true, man. So, brother, you have to be around people who are...
Energy, man.
Yeah,
right,
man,
energy.
Nobody, listen to me. Somebody drain their energy from a wicked thing, you know.
You have to protect that, man.
Brother, my energy get drained, you know, from 1 point, you know. And I tell you, best of me ask, you know, yo, but you wouldn't know still, you know, because you see me there, I laugh at it, but it got you, you know, nice, it make you feel like you're worthless, man.
Yeah.
At 1 point, beer man, I said, dog, right? Like when we listen to some rhythm when we make in them time, we actually
question yourself.
Actually go on with a thing, but we still question and say, I mean, you know, say if we didn't make that now, it is a stone 10 times wicked if we didn't release it now. But
I mean, nobody drain the energy, man.
yeah, man.
Brother.
You hear that, people? Nobody drain the energy.
This is the man contribution to the thing. Far and wide, bro. Some things we don't hear about readily or see readily, but one day it will bubble up, man.
Like a soup in a pot.
Go and do the thing. I hear your voice often again still. I know tune out the end and I get me ringing about, you know,
no,
you say I focus on production.
That, but remember I said, most of the production and with me actually, I think, it's my production when we can actually go up on.
Right.
But this is the thing. Don't force energy. So if you don't feel the energy for voice,
don't force it.
Don't force it. See me I say? It's better when time it's flowing.
Natural energy and vibration.
Yeah, when you listen about the song, you say, yo, yeah. You hear a voice, it on a force vibe, I hear it tonight.
In a sense.
You see me?
Sir Gray, big up yourself.
Sir Teach.
I appreciate the contribution to the thing, brother.
Give thanks, my G.
Yeah, man. Make busy know so I look for you.
Busy, I look for you.
For the people out there, bro, who want to get in touch with the man for, you know, production work and such, and dub plates, how they go about finding the one?
All right, so, on IG, Suku, one word, SUKUWARD. And me on site, and me reply to the messages. And me make me post them, so. And nobody I think that. My number there in the contacts and email too, so. You know, they can, if you're not sure about the IG itself, you can call the number or email.
Bro,
So,
big up yourself.
yeah, man, respect.
Go on do the thing. I appreciate the reasoning, brother.
Me give thanks for the interview.
Yeah, man, I appreciate the reason, man. I
See you.
appreciate the reason,
Yeah,
bro.
man.
Yeah, man, mad thing.
Respect.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!